Welcome to our Smart Manufacturing mini webinar series, where we will explore a specific solution along with relevant case studies and business successes during each webinar. In this webinar, we will discuss production management, which is the ability to plan, schedule, and produce the required products and deliver those products on time. Production management challenges for most manufacturers include: 1, errors and delays caused by using paper to manage and schedule production; 2, lack of real-time visibility into what is being produced, when will it be completed, why production has stopped, and so forth; 3, lots of tribal knowledge on how best to schedule and run production; 4, overall lack of best practices. Industry 4.0 has introduced advanced solutions that help resolve many of these production management challenges better than ever before. Traditional production management solutions that we have deployed in the past include integration with ERP to electronically transfer production schedules to the plant floor, and real-time visibility through dashboards and scoreboards of what is currently running and estimated time for when it will be completed. Advanced solutions now include algorithmic production scheduling and visual workflow. Let's first discuss algorithmic production scheduling. Many manufacturers have 1 or 2 top-performing schedulers who know how to best sequence the production orders to maximize throughput. That's great and scary when he or she is not there. What if you could capture his or her thought process along with your company's collective tribal knowledge and then took it to another level by using advanced algorithms to improve your scheduling optimization even further? That's what algorithmic production scheduling does. It looks at many different variables, such as delivery commitments, availability of inventory, materials, assets, and operators, the changeover requirements between the products, historical and real-time data, and so forth, to determine the optimal production schedule in real time, multiple times per day as conditions change. It removes the inefficiencies in scheduling production runs and is especially valuable for manufacturers who run many different SKUs on the same line. Any solution that allows you to run your existing equipment more efficiently is likely to have a very attractive return on investment, in many cases less than a year. Now, let's shift over to visual workflow. Every manufacturing facility has some level of established best practices enforced through processes that are hopefully followed and continuously improved. Typically, these are paper or electronic forms that include processes for events such as cleaning a machine, a changeover, a machine breakdown, a quality issue, a recall, a safety event, and the list goes on. This is a great start, but it lacks some of the functionality we become accustomed to in our everyday lives. Visual workflow allows you to take your best practices and processes to the next level. It provides an electronic visual workflow of your process in real time with visualization and then historical timestamp along the way. For example, now when there's a quality event that triggers a workflow, you can see in real time who started it, the current workflow step, what needs to happen for it to be completed, and so forth. You no longer have to wonder, why is the line not running when you go out and walk on the plant floor? You now have the data on all previous workflows and can examine this data to improve each process. For example, why was the same event resolved more quickly on first shift than it was resolved on third shift? And how can we teach the third shift crew to do it the same way the first shift crew does it, which is hopefully faster and better, as an example. Not only are you capturing tribal knowledge and sharing it in real time, but updates are pushed out automatically, no more old versions or revisions lying around of paper copies, and user feedback for improvements are provided through the platform. In one case study, we helped a manufacturer with a very complex production stages optimize their grinding, flavoring, and packaging systems to maximize the throughput while still meeting their ship-to commitments. Visual workflow has the power to connect the entire factory and supply chain, including all departments and all siloed solutions. I hope this short webinar was helpful There are additional resources such as other recorded webinars, case studies, white papers, blogs, and other materials on the landing page you're currently on. Also, feel free to reach out with any questions or if you would like additional information. Thank you.